Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Cougar. In this video, we're going to write a quick C# program to find the frequency of occurrence of elements of an array to a certain number of times. Suppose we are given an array of numbers. We want to find which numbers are occurring 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. So for that, we are going to write a function public static which is going to find the number of occurrence of each item and add it to an ilist and finally return that ilist. So the function name is going to be get frequency. It takes an array of numbers as argument. It also takes an integer array. N shows that the number of times that an element should occur. For example, if we pass 3 into the function, so it's going to look at this list. 1 is happening 2 times, so it will not return 1. 4 is happening 2 times, so it will not return 4. If we look at 3 is happening 1 2 3 times, so 3 will be included in our list. Then it will look at 7 occurs 1 time, 8 occurs 1 2 3 times, so it will be included. Then it will look at 9 occurs 1 time. 3 is already included, so 5 occurs more than 3 times, so 5 will be included. So this is the logic that we are going to write a function for. So we are not concerned about the space complexity for this project or this function, and the time complexity for this function is going to be big O of n. So let's define an ilist that returns the found items. So we are going to ilist, let's call it frequency. Let's define a dictionary. Okay, the dictionary name is count. It has a key value. So as you guys know, dictionary is a collection type that stores data in key value pairs, where the value in the dictionary can be duplicate values, but the keys in the dictionary should be unique. So in our dictionary count, the key type is integer type, and also the value type is also integer type. So in our case, the key of the dictionary is going to represent or contain each element in the list, and the value is going to represent or store the number of occurrence of each element in the list. Suppose 3 occurs 3 times, so it's going to store 3 here and 3 here. 5 occurs like 1 2 3 4 5 6 times, so it's going to store 5 and 6 here. It means that 5 occurs 6 times in our list. So we are going to loop through our list of numbers for each. We can use for loop or for each loop. For each var in numbers, we are going to add each for each var item. Okay, we are going to loop through each number in the list and add each number to our dictionary. So first we are checking if counts.content key of item. First we are going to check if the item is already in the keys of the dictionary. If so, we are going to do something else. If it is not present in the dictionary, so we are going to add the number or item as the key, and the number of occurrence we are going to add as 1. So if the number's not already in the keys of the dictionary, we just add the number as key and the number of occurrence as 1s. So if the number is already in the dictionary, we just want to increment this one by this number of occurrence by 1. So we are going to count.item plus plus. So it's going to increment the number of occurrence of this item by 1. So this is the logic behind that. Let's loop through each item in the dictionary for each var item in counts. Okay, we check if the number of occurrence is greater or equal than n. If item dot value, which stores the number of occurrence, is greater than or equal to n. If this condition is true, we are going to add this element to our list. So our list is frequency dot add item of key. Okay, then finally let's return our frequency list. Frequency, let's go to the main menu and main function and call this get frequency method. So for each var item in, we're going to call the function here get frequency. Since it's going to return a list, we can loop through this list or ilist. We pass the number as first argument, and let's pass 3 as the second argument. We just want to print cout console out item. So let's run our project. Okay, as we can see, it's going to return 385 385. Okay, if we pass 2 here, so it's going to find all the elements that happens or occurs 2 times. Save, run our file. These elements happen 2 or more times. If we pass 4, so I think only 5 is happening 4 or more times. So run it. Yeah, 5 happens only 4 or more times. So this was a quick video on how to find the frequency of numbers in an array of numbers to a certain number of times. So please don't forget to subscribe to Code with Cougar, and see you in the next cool video. If you guys have any question or recommendation, please write your question and recommendation in the comment section. I will respond to your comments as soon as possible, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.